Good day, ma'am. I'm Harold Brangan, and this is my partner.
Alvin Watton. Good day, ma'am.
And this is our presentation. Question number 1. One challenging experience I have overcome in the past year.
One challenging experience I overcome in the past years was balancing my study with farm work.
While me, a significant challenge could be managing a full course load while working a part-time job. Number 2 question. What personal qualities or strategies help me get through?
Hard work, discipline, and responsibility help me course load.
While me, discipline and time management, budgeting and financial awareness. Number 3. What did I learn about myself during that time?
I learned that I'm capable of handling pressure and staying committed.
While me, my own strength and capabilities, the value of hard work. Number 4. What are the current sources of stress in you?
My current source of stress are heavy academic tasks and personal responsibilities.
While me, ongoing financial strain, balancing work and academics. Number 5. What support or strategies might help me cope with?
Better time management and support from family and friends can help me.
While me, financial literacy and planning, time management and self-care. Thank you, ma'am. That's all.